In this video, we'll show you how to wrap text in Excel. So I was quite surprised to discover that this is a commonly searched for problem on Google because there's a big button here with wrap text written on it. And all you need to do is click on the cell where you want the text wrapping to happen and press wrap text. And there we go. But there's a few reasons why this might not be obvious to the beginner. For a start, perhaps your window isn't full screen like it is on my computer. If you've got it smaller, you can see that the words wrap text have disappeared. So you need to be looking out for an icon that looks like this. Also, you might not be on the home screen tab, so if you're on the insert tab, wrap text has disappeared. So it might take you a while to find where to go onto wrap text. So it's on the home tab. Also, you might find you've pressed wrap text and it's small like this. So you just need to know how to resize a cell. So all you need to do to resize a cell, if you want to make a column wider, you just put the mouse in between the cell headers up here and you can make it wider or smaller, or between the rows and make it taller or shorter like that. So hopefully now it should be obvious how to wrap text using Excel. If you want more help, the next thing to do is visit our website at Spreadsheets.Pro. We offer professional spreadsheet services to help you repair, upgrade or create new spreadsheets in Excel and Google Sheets. We also have a tutorial blog aimed at beginners and small business owners, and we have a selection of ready-made, free and premium spreadsheets available to download.